What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela, and today we are going to be learning about if all deaf people can read lips or not. So, closed captions, even if you can read lips or not, is really important for deaf, hard of hearing people. I even know hearing people who just find it easier to watch stuff with closed captions. So, always put closed captions on. But being hard of hearing or deaf doesn't always mean that you are good at reading lips. In fact, a lot of deaf people don't know how to read lips, and that's perfectly okay. Or hard of hearing people, or hearing people in general, they don't know how to read lips. That's why it's always important to provide accessibility, whether it be closed captions or an interpreter, or maybe knowing American Sign Language is always